head. Like, see, 2 francs, if he collected 2 francs from each inhabitant, it will be like 14,000 francs only. But still, it was more than 2 francs. So that's why it's a really huge amount. Okay. So that's why he said, no, 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 it's not gonna happen. Okay. And then what happened? Like, the similar inquiry was sent to the king of Italy. He was a brother monarch. Why he said the brother monarch? Because see, French government is like, nah, we will not go it, and they never respected the king of Monaco. Okay, they didn't respect it, but Italy was a brother monarch because they respected the king, and also they were not such type of like things happening. So what happened? So at the end, like, Italy government has wrote a letter. They would have been pleasure in supplying both machine and an expert, and the whole cost will be 12,000 francs, including traveling expenses. See why? There was only 12,000 francs. It's a low amount. Why? Because I already told you. What is that? Like, 7,000 people. If you collected 2 francs from each like inhabitant, there will be 14,000 francs. Okay. So like, how 14,000 francs? 7,000 into 2, 14,000. Like, 7 to the 14. So basically, it was a low amount, but still king was like, no, 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 it's not possible. Why? See, it was a good like thing that Italy government has only uh, said only 12,000 francs, including the two traveling expenses. Here the French government is saying that they want 16,000 francs, 16,000 and 12,000 francs, that too like Italy, by with the traveling expenses. It's really low amount. This was only for guillotine and the man. Okay, so basically he can accept it, but he said, no, 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 it's not possible. So king, like, the ministers and everything said, they asked like, why are you telling like that? So basically what happened, that this rascal was not worth that money. It would still mean nearly 2 francs, nearly 2 francs. Why I'm telling nearly? See, 14,000, they expected to, 12,000. Okay, 12,000. See, this is nearly like 2 francs. Okay, so it was a huge amount according to him. So for only one person to executioning him, it was really huge amount according to him. So basically at the end, what they decided, like, the executioning machine and all that, and they were like, leave it. General, like, see, there was 60 army, 60 men's army. The king said, I mean the prince, why can't you like order the general? Like, see, army is what? Army basically know how to fight, and they have seen like blood and all that. So it will not be a big thing, like, let's call them. So basically the general was given the order that you need to like cut this criminal head off. Okay, so I will draw the criminals. So why not draw the criminal? uh, so let's see, this is a criminal, 100% to be honest. So basically, the criminal, to cut his head off, basically like they order the general. Okay, they order the general that cut the man's off. Like, head off, as the army already know that. The general said, "You, we, our army have not seen the blood in so many years. See, you, it's a shocking thing, right? Say, don't, they never saw the blood sheets all like before, because it was a peaceful kingdom. They never like thought of like cutting someone's head off or fighting, because that thing never happened in this kingdom. This is the first time. So basically, he said, no, our army is not trained for that. So basically, the prince had no choice, as is written already. See, we don't know how to do it. It's not a thing we have been taught. So what has to be done? Again the minister was considered, again the same counseling and everything was like it did. And then at the end, punishment was decided, was that life imprisonment. Imprisonment. Life imprisonment was decided at the final. So while what is life imprisonment basically? Like, till the end of the life of the prisoner, he have to, I mean the criminal, he have to live in the prison only, he can't come out. So that's the basically the punishment given. So what happened, that there was only a small prison only. In there, what happened, like, there was a small prison, and only the thief, like sometimes the theft only happen in the kingdom, right? So the guards would come and then keep the criminal like for 2 to 3 days and then leave. But there was no such prison for like the long use. Okay, so still like the criminal was sent to that prison only. And then what happened, that they managed to find a place where they put the young fellow there and pays the guard, like guard for what, to take care of him, like he should not run away. So the prisoner remained there for month and month and year passed. So then the king was checking his like what we call like bill and all that. It was only expenditure. The king was checking his expenditure and then said, what is the special? There's a special guard, and there is also for men's food. It come more than 600 francs a year. See, the king is so like already. He was thinking like the 2 francs are very much for the kingdom. Will he like expect to like use his 600 francs for taking care of a criminal? He won't, basically. So basically he was like, what is this much money? So then the worst of that was the fellow was still young and healthy. See, the food for the criminal first, like every day, like 3 times meal to the criminal, and then the guard to take care of him, like guard. See, I will draw a guard to take care of him. So basically, this all entire thing was came to be 600 francs, 600 francs a year. It was basically a huge amount, but still, this fellow was still young and might live up to 50 years. So basically, it was only helpful for the criminal only. Like he can live, like he don't have to do any work, and he can stay. And the guard was also like normally together. So basically, the worst was that. And then you must find a cheaper way to deal with this rascal. The present plan is so expensive. And the ministers met and consider and reconsider. Like the ministers met and then they again did the assembly and all that. And then at the end, they decided to let the criminal run away. They can't afford it, to why they keep. So basically, he said like, let's leave him. And then the gentleman, in my opinion, we must dismiss the guard, but then rejoin another minister. Their follower will run away. So see, the ministers, two ministers are talking here. Two ministers are talking here. So one said, gentlemen, let the criminal run away only. Another one said that no, the criminal has to shave the or he will run away from the prison, and he's a criminal. And one, the first minister said, what, right? See, even if we run away, we can't afford it. So let him run away. Let him run. So basically, what happened? And the result, they agreed. And then these both guards, like these both ministers, came. So these two ministers have come to see the like guard, and what they told is basically like let him tell straight out. Like they want to tell the criminal straight out that you can run away. The prince will not mind, basically. So first, what they did was let first dismiss the guard. See what they happened, like that guard who was together with the criminal, they dismissed him, means they removed him from the prison. Like they said like, by doing this, the criminal will run away. But after days, he didn't run away. He took the, like this is the basically opening and closing of the door, like of the prison. He opened it and went to the kitchen, like kitchen of the king castle, and then he took his food, and then he returned back to the prison, eat, and then give it to back to the kitchen. So basically, he was doing his normal thing. So basically, they told him straight away, like you can run away, dude. Like you don't have to think much. So then what he's told, like this can be asked in an exam. I dare to say the prince will not mind, said the man. What I can do? You have ruined my character. Your sentence and people will turn their backs on me. Besides, have you got out of the way of working? You have been treating me badly. It's not fair. In the first place, where once you sentenced me to death, you ought me to execute me, but you did not do it. That was one thing I didn't complain about it. So then you sentenced me to the imprisonment for life, and put a guard to bring me food. But after some time, you took him away again. I fetch my own food. Means fetch is what, taking. Like I fetch my own food. But after some time, you took him away also. Like I fetch my own food, and again I did not complain. But now you're actually telling me to go away. Like I can't agree to this anymore. I won't go away. So what has to be done? Like again the council was reconsidered, and then at the end, like what happened, what course did they adopt? The man would not go. They reflected and reconsidered. Only way to get rid of him was giving him a pension. Yes, giving him a pension of 600 francs. So basically, like, see, the main thing was that you might ask me, 6,000 francs was for the entire year. Like the 6,000 francs, like 600, sorry, not 6,000, 600. 600 francs was for the entire year, like expenditure of the criminal. So